you, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we all know Uncle Roger, right? Yes, the ultimate egg fried rice judge. He's reviewed top people like Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay's egg fried rice. So now he has his egg fried rice recipe out there, and we are going to be following his egg fried rice recipe to make the best egg fried rice in the world, right? And I hope after this video, maybe I also get the anchor title. Okay, yes guys, let's just get right into the video. Let's go. Alright guys, so like Uncle Roger always says guys, egg fried rice is so easy to make. All you need is a few ingredients: egg, fried and rice. So yeah guys, follow me. Let me show you the ingredients we're going to be using to make our world famous egg fried rice. Let's go. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using for our egg fried rice. Okay, we have our day-old rice here, and yeah, this is not any ordinary rice guys. This is rice which was cooked in chicken and beef stock. Okay guys, if you want to see how I did a chicken and beef stock, it's on my channel, so kindly check it out guys. And this is our soy sauce. We have our garlic and onion, we have our chilies right here, we have spring onion, and we have our eggs right here. The star of the show guys, you can't make egg fried rice without eggs, so we have our eggs right here. And yeah, if there's one thing Uncle Roger always uses, and that is MSG, okay, the king of flavor. I don't have MSG, I couldn't get my hands on MSG, so this is what I'm going to be using: fried rice seasoning. Look at this guys. And if you go to the back side of it, let's take a close look at the ingredients. You can see it has here, it says monosodium glutamate, okay, yes, and that is MSG. So that's what we're going to be using as our MSG guys, yes. And I know a lot of people are going to say MSG is not good. Some people also say MSG is good. So right now, who do we listen to guys? But Uncle Roger says MSG is king of flavor. So we're going to be using this as our MSG, okay? So I'm going to start off by chopping down my onions. So once you have our onions chopped, we're going to put it aside. And then we're also going to go ahead and chop our garlic, okay? So I'm just going to press down my garlic. And yeah, look at the skin just comes off easily, guys. I'm just going to remove the skin from the garlic. So afterwards, guys, we're just going to start chopping down our garlic. So next up, we're going to cut out our spring onions. And now finally, guys, all we're going to do is just chop down our chilies, okay? And I'm using habaneros, but you can use any kind of chilies you want, okay? I wouldn't really advise you guys to use your raw hands to do this, guys, because it's chili you're talking about, so you don't want to play with it, because if this thing gets into your eye, oh my goodness, guys, you're dead. So once we have the chilies nice and cut, we're also going to put this aside, guys. Alright guys, so we're done with the prepping, and we're going to be going outside to cook our egg fried rice, okay? Yes, because the kind of gas they use, you know, is very powerful. That the flames are just so intense, and my gas cannot do it. So I'm going to be using a coal pot, because the coal pot gets really hot, so it's going to help me get a replica of what they use in cooking egg fried rice, okay? Yeah, so guys, let's head outside and get it done. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, so we're outside and everything is here, so we're going to start making our egg fried rice, okay? Yeah, so we're going to be using this. So I'm just going to add in my oil, and I'm going to be using a neutral flavoring oil. I'm going to add about just a little bit of oil into the pan. Alright guys, once our oil gets nice and hot, we're going to put in our onions and garlic, and we're going to saute this until it turns nice and fragrant, guys. So once our onions get nice and fragrant, guys, look at the color, right? It's so beautiful. We're just gonna add in our eggs, okay? So I'm gonna crack in 2 eggs. We're just gonna let it sit for a while before we start mixing everything in, okay? So once our egg gets nice and solid, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and scramble the eggs in. So guys, you have our rice in our pan, and we're just gonna break our rice down. And then we mix everything together. I'll make sure you break all the clumps you have in the rice. And then we now go ahead and add in our soy sauce. So I'm not gonna go ahead and add in my spring onion, guys. And then we mix everything together. I almost forgot this, guys. We have to add in our seasoning too as well. And finally, guys, we're gonna add in chopped chilies. And there we have it, guys. Very simple, very easy, yet very tasty, guys. Uncle Roger's egg fried rice. Let's look at this beautiful thing, guys. And we are done. As simple as that, guys. We are done. Where all my fried rice lovers are, guys. So yes, we are done, and I'm just gonna plate it right now. Just look at how the grains of rice have separated. That is beautiful thing, guys. Uncle Roger's egg fried rice. Guys, let's give it a quick taste. It really smells good, guys. Oh. The moment you put this in your mouth, guys, all you can taste is umami. Wow. That MSG though, guys, that MSG, it really does the work, guys. It really does the work. Wow. It's so simple, very basic, but so tasty. It's packed with a lot of flavor, guys. This is amazing. And yeah, even though we use like 4 cloves of garlic, you don't really taste it, but it's there, you know. Oh, I forgot, guys. Guys, taste this. It's not too late. Taste this, taste this. Let's go. It's so good. I forgot to give you guys some. Now, I chopped cheese. Oh, a nice spicy kick. Absolutely amazing. Guys, listen. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, guys. But look, this is incredible. You guys haven't tried this before, that's sleeping, guys. Walk straight into our kitchen, grab ingredients, and let's do this. There we go. There we go, guys. Look, who wants some? If you want some, raise your hand up and let me throw some to you guys. Who wants some? Anybody? Alright, guys, nobody wants some, so yeah. I'm gonna see you later, guys. I'm gonna go finish this. But guys, before I leave, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, be a part of the family, okay? Let's go!